Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers and listeners. My name is Zulayt Khan. My partner is Dr. Waqas Khan. These are my students. Today we are going to discuss vegetables name. Yennan bazahura na vegetables. Yani sabziyan pawara ki tapos kuma dewe wala pa English ki jawab ra kehta usko bhai khub enjoy kar. So I don't waste your time. Let's start. Pura alu ta soy potato. Alu ta potato. Barsandi the soy. Lots roots. Barsandi ta way barsandi ta. Who galu the soy? Sweet potato. Shikarkhand ta. Sweet potato. Tomato the soy? Tomato. Tomato ta way. Tomato ta. Tomato way. Matar the soy? Peas. Matar ta. Peas way peas. Paper the soy? Turnip. Paper. Shalgam the soy? Turnip worth away. Gulgobi the soy? Cauliflower. Gulgobi. Pool gobi. Pulao gobi the soy? Cauliflower worth away. Cauliflower. Gulgobi the way. Bangobi the soy? Cabbage. Bangobi the cabbage way cabbage. Banjan the soy? Brinjal. Banjan the brinjal way. Brinjal. Banjan the way. Ugi the soy? Garlic. Uga. Lehsan. Ugi the soy? Garlic worth away. Pyaz the soy? Onion. Pyaz the soy? Onion way. Onion. Pudini the soy? Mint. Pudini the mint way. Mint. Zangali pudini the soy? Thyme. Zangali pudini the thyme way. Thyme. Shni dhaniya the soy? Coriander leaves. Shni dhaniya the coriander leaves way. Leaves. Tende the soy? Tenda the tenda way. Tenda. Kadu sharif the soy? Pumpkin. Kadu sharif the soy? Pumpkin. Bende the soy? Lady finger. Bendaita lady finger way. Lady finger. Kareli the soy? Bitter gourd. Kareli ta BITTER. Bitter trikhta way. Bitter gourd. Kareli tarkha bhi chalta hota. Bitter gourd way. Torei the soy? Lofa gourd. Torei ta lofa gourd way. Lofa gourd. Muli the soy? Radish. Mulaita radish way. Radish mulaita way. Gazarita soy? Carrot. Gazarita carrot way. Carrot. Badran the soy? Cucumber. Badran kira ta. Badran ta cucumber way. Cucumber. Khadidi the soy? Mushroom. Khadidi ta mushroom way. Mushroom. Chikandar the soy? Beetroot. This why chikandar ta beetroot way. Adrak the soy? Ginger. Adrak ta ginger way. Ginger. Nimbu the soy? Lemon. Nimbu the soy? Lemon what way? Lemon. Parajbin the soy? Cluster bean. Parajbin ta cluster bean way. Marcha kita soy? Chili. Marcha kita chili way. Chili. Ghat marcha kita soy? Capsicum. Ghat marcha ke shimla mirch. Ghat marcha kita soy? Capsicum varta way. Sabuta soy? Greens. Sabuta soy? Greens varta way. Greens. Palak ko saag soy? Spinach. Palak ko sabuta spinach way. Spinach. और सलाद तो सोए? Salad. Salad ta salad way. Salad. Excellent. It is enough for today. Take care. Bye.